Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mo from Top Tech Media. Hope everybody is keeping very well. If this is your first time on this channel, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification as well, so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified of it. So on this channel, what you will see is a lot of unboxings like these and tips and techniques to help you grow on your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. Okay, so which package shall we start with? I think we'll start with the smaller ones and get to the bigger ones. Okay, so this first product, I have a feeling I know what this is, but let's open it up and take a look inside. At any time, please make sure you check out the notes in the description box below. You'll find a link to these products, so if you are wanting to get one of these products, you can go ahead and use the links below. So a bit of a weird packaging from Amazon, but let's get rid of the box and have a look at this. Okay, so first up we have a microphone. So this is a Lavalier microphone from a company called Maono. I think that's how you pronounce it, hopefully. This is a lapel microphone, so you attach it to your shirt, t-shirt, whatnot. If you watched one of my previous videos, I've done an unboxing and a little mini voice test on one of these mics, but from a different company. So this one has is compatible with smartphones as well as a camcorder, PC and DSLRs. So great for YouTubing as well. So if you did want to get a really close-up, crisp sound, you can actually attach it there. And it comes with, I believe, something like 6 meters of wire, so you should be able to have a good distance between the DSLR and yourself. So we'll leave this here for a moment and get on to unboxing another package. Okay, so this is actually a M92S box. Now you might think, oh, what the flip is this box about? What is this? Okay, so what it is, it's a box that you can install different softwares on. So if you've heard of Kodi, you can actually install Kodi on this and plug it onto your TV, and hey presto, there you go. So I actually expected something a little bit bigger. It's actually very nice and small. USB ports, as well as a HDMI port and a power port here as well. So it comes with Bluetooth, and let's see what else comes in with the package. Nice little package. Okay, so it comes with a control pad, and what else? Let's have a look. Okay, so a power brick as well. Oh wow, it actually comes with the actual HDMI cable as well, so that is awesome. So I can't wait to plug that into my 4K TV. Hopefully I'll do an in-depth review of this later on. Let's open another box. Okay. Oh, 2 packages inside of this one. Okay, so a company called Kodi, I think that's how you pronounce it, and a company called Paplook. Okay, so let's get this out of the way, and we'll open these ones later. I can't wait to get to this. I actually know what this is already, but I'm going to leave that till last, and I cannot honestly wait to unbox this, guys. So let's get this opened up first. Kodi, I don't know what this is. Mini hidden camera. Okay, interesting. Let's have a look. So it comes with a manual. Oh wow, check this out. Wow. Look at that. That looks amazing. Okay, so I'm assuming this is something like a spy camera, which is going to be cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's empty this content out. Alright, so it's got some cables to power it up. It's got some mount, so I don't know if you can clip it in somewhere. And okay, I get it. So you can actually leave that over here, screw it into the wall or something, or somewhere that you want to use. And it comes with a 3M sticker. So that's it. So this is it for that one. And take a look at this one over here. Alright guys, another thing I need to mention to you guys is I will be doing a lot of giveaways, so make sure you subscribe stay subscribed, turn on the bell notification so you do know when I will be doing the next giveaway as well. It comes with a very navy blue or bright blue, sky blue, I don't know what you want to call it. Comes with a manual, and let's take a look inside. Okay, so this is actually a webcam. Oh, nice. Wow, this is actually one of the first webcams I've actually seen that has a manual zoom to it. So I don't know if you can see that, but you can actually rotate this. I don't know if you can actually even hear it. You can actually probably zoom in and out. Okay. Oh wow, so it comes with a nice arm that it actually swivels out. I'm assuming this turns. Okay, so you can actually just rest it on to your laptop or your desktop or something like that. The thing is, nowadays you get a lot of laptops and PCs, some PCs, with a built-in camera, but then probably not the best of quality. So this is meant to be, I believe, it's a 1080p HD quality camera. So if you are looking for one of these, make sure you go and check the link in the description box below. So I'll be using this later on and taking a closer look at that. So let's get this out of the way and get on to our next package. Before I do that, I'm actually going to open this package over here, so I can actually just get out of the way. I don't know if this just pushes open. Yep. Okay. So it comes with a mini manual, a booklet that is probably only about 4 pages, and it comes with a nice little silky pouch. So we'll leave this to one side for now. So it comes with a massive connector. I don't know, I've actually never used one of these before, but I believe they go into big, you know, these audio boxes, and you can use it for that as well. It also separates, and it comes with the standard 3.5mm jack, so you can actually plug it into your DSLR or other devices, like even your laptop, and it's compatible with your phone as well. So let's take this out of its packaging. So you have your top mic over here, actual mic. I'm assuming you get this out and then you clip it into here. Okay, and then it comes with a little muff, so you can actually put that in there. It's a little bit tight, so I'm not going to try that for now. So that's it. So that's how you actually just attach it, and it comes with a 6-meter cable, so you can have a massive clearance in front of the camera. So if you don't want the camera too close, or you've got difficulties keeping the camera close, you can actually use it like that as well. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Let's open this one. Okay, need a pair of scissors, handy scissors. So this is a car air pump. So, you know, I've actually got this for my personal car, obviously, so I didn't actually know it was actually included in this box, but hey presto, you get to see a car air pump. Let's take a look inside. Oh, I like this. So it's very nice, very small. So I guess you can actually just tuck it away in the car. It works on the 12 DC 12 volt power cable that you actually connect into your car. It comes with a handy torch at the front as well, so if you are in the middle of the night trying to change or you know, pump up a tyre, it's got a handy light as well, so it's got a switch for the light. And yeah, so let's get this out of the way and get on to the next package. Nice. I love the packaging. Okay, so this is from a company called Aurora, maybe. Okay, so let's take this out. Oh, okay, so it's a watch. Nice. So this is a men's watch. I would probably do a giveaway on this one. I probably won't be using this because I've got so many watch. I might add it to the collection, but most likely do a giveaway. So keep watching. I'll be telling you about the giveaway rules if I do one in the next few videos. And let's open this package over here. What's in this, I wonder? It's a smartwatch. It's actually a smartwatch from a company called Lempo. Okay, so you guys probably heard of the company. I haven't. I've come across it on Amazon. So again, I'll provide a link in the description box below. Wow, now that looks amazing. That looks so nice and slick. Okay, so this watch is combined as a fitness tracker as well as a smartwatch. Now I know some watches only do fitness tracking and some only do smartphones. It is a smartwatch, but I haven't seen any combined. I know you can get the Fitbit and the high-tech ones that do that as well, but this is for, I believe, somewhere in the region of about $70–80, and I'll probably be using this. Yeah, follow me on my next video to see an in-depth review on this. I can't wait, and I'll be testing this out vigorously to see if it works properly as described. I can't wait to do a video on this, just a video on this alone. Okay, so let's put this back. Now comes the big package. Okay, let's turn this around and let's just, oh, I nearly broke that. Okay, so I know what this is. You're probably guessing from the name upside down what this is. Honestly, I cannot wait to open this. Now, a company, I don't actually know what the company name is actually. Let me have a look who sent this. Let's have a look. Okay, so it comes with a HDMI cable, it comes with some audio cables as well as a remote control and a power brick, power socket, or whatever you want to call it. Let's get the box out of the way, get these scissors out of the way and take this packaging off. So it's from a company called Cronova. If you haven't heard of the name, neither have I. It's quite a big projector. I do not know how you're supposed to be mounting this even. Ooh, that's massive. Okay, so let's explain to you what we have. We have some audio in and out. We have a VGA connection over here and a couple of USB connections, as well as two HDMI. I thought it'd probably only be one, and it's got a TV out as well and a power in there as well. Okay, so on the top over here we have some buttons for the actual functions, and I have a power button over here, and let's see what the lens looks like. Wow, check this out. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so I'll be doing another video just for this as well, so make sure you watch out for that one. And you've got some nice little sliders for focus over here, focusing in and out depending on what the distance is. Now this projector is supposed to be something like 80-inch wide up to 300 inches. Now 300 inches is massive. Now imagine your TV in your room is probably about 30-inch, 40-inch, 50-inch, 70-inch even, but 80-inch as a minimum, and then to 300. Now that's insane. Okay, so I'm going to save this for another video like all the other gadgets over here, and I will catch you on the next upcoming vlog. So please make sure you subscribe. I'll appreciate all the support that you have given me so far. We've hit 130 plus subscribers. At the end of this year, I'm hoping to hit at least 500 subscribers, and there will be a massive giveaway for a 500 subscriber giveaway as well. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next vlog. Peace out.